Hello, welcome to Philip's Guide. I'm Philip, your guide, where I'll show you all the new and wonderful stuff we have in store for you. On our last video, we discussed about Air Seat 25. So ito naman, Air Seat 35. So bakit ganon? So yung number is 25 and 35. The original version is 25, meaning 250 grams. The new version just released September 2023 is Air Seat 35, meaning 350 grams. So bakit siya mas mabigat? Mas mabigat siya kasi mas mura. Almost half the price of Air Seat 25. So, Air Seat 35 only has one color, black. Then, if you remember, yung Air Seat in general, may tatlong variants. And yung variants na yon ay 80, 100, and 120. So, this is 120, this is 100, and this is 80. So, anong pinagkaiba niya sa Air Seat 25? So, kuha tayo ng isang Air Seat 25. So, ito, sa totoo lang, magkamukha sila. So, ito yung dalawang 120. Magkamukha sila. Yung pinagkaiba lang is, yung Air Seat 25, aside from being much lighter, meron siyang kasamang cover. Ang Air Seat 35, wala talagang cover sa harap. And, wala tayong mabebentang separate purchase na may cover. Kasi this is only for the original version of Air Seat. So, ano ibig sabihin original version? Hindi naman ibig sabihin dito original. This is the standard version or yung lower cost version nila. So, what makes it lower cost again? Dahil sa weight, 350 grams. Paano naging mas mabigat siya? The metal components na yung spring and yung rails are still stainless steel, similar to Air Seat 25. But, yung pinaka-body niya dito, iba. Air Seat 25 is CNC aluminum. That's why yung finish niya, kung makikita niyo dito, yung finish mas pulido, mas maganda, mas premium yung look. Yung Air Seat 35 is made from molded zinc alloy. So, makikita mo dahil galing siya sa molde, meron siyang traces dito na mukhang nabuksan sa molde. So, usually ang mga molde, meron rin mga, sometimes may mga air bubbles. So, may konting imperfection. Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin may imperfection is, tawag dito, mas mahina. It's just a manufacturing quirk. But all others, the same performance, the same benefits, just the weight is different. So, again, yung Air Seat, yung mechanism niya of suspension is, if makikita ka ditong spring, ibig sabihin may vertical movement. Pag may makikita kang spring dito, ibig sabihin may horizontal movement. Then, due to the design of the front spring, makikita mo, one part of it came from the upper right and ended on the lower right. So, ibig sabihin, may twisting motion. So, kung may twisting ka, may front and back, may up and down, 360 movement. So, this will enable you to be ready kahit anong mga bumps na ma-encounter mo sa road. Kasi sa road, hindi mo alam na saan yung lubak, gaano katindi yung lubak, and ano yung body position mo pag nalubak ka. So, even while nakaupo ka, is walang problem. So, ano ulit ang itsura nito? Installed. Ganito ang itsura nito. So, installed is the Air Seat 25, but it will look exactly the same with Air Seat 35. So, ganyan yan. Lalagay lang sa gitna ng saddle and seat post. So, any seat post, almost any seat post, basta kasya kumagat sa saddle rails, then almost any kind of saddle, basta kumasya dito sa installation. That's all for today's segment. Please follow our social media pages and YouTube channel. So, again, I'm Philip, your guide, and this has been Air Seat 35.